In today's video, I'm going to be doing a kinky twist and I'm going to be using this hair. There is no name written on this hair, it's just written braids and that's all. So I'm going to be using this as a twist on my hair, and this is how my hair looks at the moment. It's fully stretched, washed, deep conditioned and moisturized. And to moisturize my hair, I use the lock method, the leave-in oil mixed and my shea butter mixed. And if you want to see how I made this shea butter mix, I will have a video link in the comment section below. And this is what the hair looks like, and I'm using the color in gold, and I'm going to be folding this into two because I don't want it to be too long. I'll call this into half, and then I'll begin to stretch this with my hands. After stretching it with my hands, I'm going to use the comb to comb it to make it really nice and stretched. And because I'm going to be having this on my hair, I'm going to go on and moisturize the extension. And after moisturizing the extension, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to begin twisting my hair from behind, and I'm going to try to section this neatly. And after that, I'm going to begin by braiding. And this is what I love to do. I love to braid from the root of my hair and then I'll twist all the way down. This is not a tutorial on how to twist, it's just to inspire someone out there. And I know if I can do it, you can also do it. And I tell you, I have my friend with me here who is going to be helping to make this really nice and easy for me. But I just wanted to see what I can do before she will be joining me. So I did it, and this is what I was able to do, and she was impressed with me. So right now she is helping me to braid, and then she continued from where I stopped, and I'm going to be doing the front section, and I'm just trying to join her so that the whole thing can be really fast. And I tell you guys, we did an amazing job, and I was so happy, guys. It turned out just the way I wanted it to be. So what we made sure that we put into place is a well moisturized hair with my shea butter mix. She moisturized my hair every time she pick up a section and moisturize it before twisting it. And this is how you just keep your hair really protected and avoid any form of breakage. It's a great challenge, and trust me guys, it was fun because we were just chatting. By the way, I'd like to welcome you. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please take a moment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and sit back, enjoy this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video to friends and family, and be good, be kind, sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and thank you so much.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then follow home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Guys, as soon as we're done braiding, we put the ends of it into a hot water, and this just made the ends of the head looks really lovely, stretched and very beautiful. Okay, so remember to dip it in hot water. That's very important, and you have to be very careful because this process you really need to be very careful. So guys, this is the end of it. And in case you're wondering how many packs of hair I used almost 5, not up to 5, almost 5 packs, because I want it to be really full. As you can see, it's really full, and that is exactly how I wanted it to be. This is how it turned out, and I love it so much. So thank you so much, guys. If you've watched this video till the end, thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Dance on the beat, on the song, oh. My brother, God can bless anybody. Make you no look down on anybody. Grafted. It's okay. Dance on the beat,
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.